An efficient shop is not just about working faster. It is about removing the small frustrations that interrupt every repair. These 5 accessories can help you protect your tools, identify hardware faster, work more comfortably, and finish the day the right way. First, stop leaving tools and fasteners wherever they might fit. A magnetic tool pad creates a temporary work surface directly beside the repair. Attach it to a toolbox, lift, service cart, or another suitable metal surface to keep frequently used tools within reach. It also gives removed bolts and fasteners one predictable location instead of letting them disappear into the engine bay or onto the floor. Efficiency also means taking care of the person doing the work. Working from the floor can put unnecessary pressure on your knees, especially during brake, suspension, and detailing jobs. Keep a kneeling pad close to the service bay so you do not waste time searching for cardboard, folded shop towels, or something else that was never designed for the job. When 2 parts look almost identical, guessing can waste time or create a bigger problem. Digital calipers give you quick, precise measurements for outside dimensions, inside dimensions, and depth. Use them to verify hardware, measure components, check wear, or confirm that a replacement part matches the original before installation. You could keep testing sockets until one fits, or identify the size before opening the drawer. A bolt head size finder quickly identifies the socket or wrench size needed for the fastener in front of you. It is especially useful when markings are difficult to see, the bolt is dirty, or metric and SAE sizes are close enough to cause confusion. And once the repair is complete, the tools are returned and the shop is clean, there is one final accessory. The socket bottle opener may not make the repair faster, but it is a fitting way to mark the end of a productive day. Just remember, finish the repair, clean the shop, and put the tools away first. An efficient shop is built by removing unnecessary steps. Keep tools beside the repair. Protect your knees. Measure instead of guessing. Identify hardware before searching through sockets. And make cleanup part of the job, not something you leave for tomorrow. Small accessories may not receive as much attention as your ratchets, sockets, and power tools, but the right ones can make every repair smoother. Give each accessory a dedicated location. Keep it near the work it supports, and make it part of your routine. That is how you build a shop that works as efficiently as you do. Which of these accessories would save you the most time? Let us know in the comment section below. Remember, keep it cool and greasy.